I say this a lot, but it's only because it's absolutely true. One single product can completely change your life. And that's never been more evident than in some Shopify stores that I find that just sell a simple product, or maybe sometimes a not so simple product, but that one product generates millions of dollars for them, sometimes even millions of dollars per month. And even with some of the brands that we work with at Ecommerce, I see the same thing. Some TikTok shops do up to $2 million a month with just a single product or a bundle of products. So in today's video, we're going to dive into a store that's doing this with a product that you've probably actually never heard of before, and it's called the Magic Box. Now, the Magic Box is this one product store. I say one product even though they actually have a pretty good amount of products, because this is really their main hero product. This is what's getting people introduced to the brand, and then the rest of the stuff is mainly just upsells. As we see here from Shop Hunter, we can see a little bit of data from the past month, and this product alone has generated over $750,000 for them, which is up 400% from the month before. This other variation with a remote control is also doing really well, which is really interesting. This is actually cool. They have a pre-owned version, so like if people return the product, they sell a pre-owned version for a cheaper price. As you see, this one's $369, this one is $249. I love that. I think that's a really cool idea. And then, you know, they have these little cross sells like a remote, a dash, a mount, another remote. That's pretty much it, right? So that's all they sell. But with this amount of products, they're able to do multiple, six-figure months. So in the last 30 days, they've done 1.6 million as estimated by Shop Hunter, which we all know is not entirely accurate. Sorry, folks, camera died. But as I was saying, I actually don't remember what I was saying, but I'm just going to keep going. Yeah, this is the product they sell, and this is the website. This is the one product lander that they use. So what apps can I use on this thing? Every app that you could ever want, right? It supports your iPhone. It's high performance. If you didn't know already, this connects to your car. So it's actually really cool. Let's look at this brief 60-minute or 60-second video. So he shows you how to put on this thing in your car. This is really brilliant to have a video like this, and it's embedded from YouTube, so it's probably not slowing the website too much. And as you see, it allows you to just put stuff in your car. So this is pretty cool. It's a very simple idea, and I'm not exactly sure the technology behind it, but I doubt it's very complicated. I'm sure, these people are sourcing this from China, and I'm sure you could do the same with maybe a different angle. However, they've put a lot of effort into this, right? So this is what I would consider a very well done brand. And let's look at the reviews here. Let's see if we can find some bad ones just to see what people are saying that's like negative about the product. I don't really see much. I don't think we can actually just jump to the negative reviews. This is a really cool review app. I wonder what it's called. If you know what it's called, let me know, because this looks awesome. I mean, you can put your pictures, images, all that. That's really cool. But let's actually just move on here to some other ads in social media, because this is obviously how they're driving traffic. Now, their social media is not really doing any crazy numbers or anything. It's actually pretty simple, very low views. So they could definitely benefit from some affiliate collaborations if they're not doing so already. And also, the main way that they're running ads or getting traffic is through paid ads on Meta. So let's actually look at one of these ads. It's very simple, 20 seconds long, and it's a very good hook. Cut the CarPlay cord. Boom. Switch to the magic link. That's so good, right? It's so simple too, which I love. These kinds of ads are doing so well these days. And what I would suggest is to, make ads in this format, but keep your text right here within this box so that they can be displayed really nicely on every single placement. So yeah, let me finish the video. Play your music, map your route, whatever you want to do. Yeah, completely wireless. That's actually really dope. So yeah, that's what this product allows you to do. It's just the magic link, but that's not the only product they're selling. In fact, that's actually not the main one at all. This is the main product right here.
CarPlay, no problem. This is the magic.
Oh wait, no, this is still the magic link. Let me go back.
Magic Box is a CarPlay adapter that literally...
This is the Magic Box one. So that's funny. He's using a glove for just like the shock factor, which is really smart actually. People comment on these little things. Such a good ad, right? Like this just looks like a normal TikTok. He's actually keeping the text within the box that I mentioned. So these guys are on top of the meta for meta ads, which is cool to see. And yeah, very simple stuff, guys. So this is, why I really appreciate doing these videos, because it just goes to show how simple the setup can be if you have a really good product that you can easily market, but You know, this isn't a crazy high produced video. It's literally just showcasing the product in a really simple way, and it's doing so good. So let's try to find one more here just to see if they're doing anything different, but I'm guessing it's the same thing. This is how you take your car display to the next level. So that's kind of their big hook that they use. And here it is. So this is the magic box, and it just plugs into your car. And then what you can do is you're all set up to do whatever you want on here. So that's pretty cool. Honestly, this makes me want to buy one, even though I don't see myself ever using it. It's just like a cool thing to be able to do with your car. So that's really about it. Their TikTok is actually a lot better than their other social medias, but as you saw, they're reposting all their short form content, and some of these actually do quite well in terms of views. So this video, for example, tired of seeing ads for knockoff car play adapters. So this is actually a pretty popular product on TikTok. I've seen it before, and this is kind of the OG brand that launched it, though I'm sure they're not the first to launch this. That's something to consider. Most of the time, the first person to ever launch these products is unfortunately not the one to scale it the biggest. Usually the people that come in after are the ones that are able to really pop off because they know what works right away, so they can just improve on it. So I doubt these guys were the first to do this, and that's actually a big lesson to learn. But they have also a YouTube channel. They're really putting in the work to build this into a massive brand. So I love to see it. I would love to run ads for this company. If the Magic brand is watching this, please reach out to me. I would love to get my team to help you guys scale even further. And that's really about it for this video. See ya.